Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com. It is soup season and today I am going to share with you the recipe for Canadian Cheddar Cheese Soup from Epcot at Disney World. Please make sure you are subscribed and have turned on notifications so you won't miss any new recipes. And check out my other channel, Mommy Mouse Clubhouse, for more Disney fun. Let's get started! For this recipe you will need 1/2 pound of diced bacon, 1 medium diced red onion, 3 chopped celery stalks, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of flour, 3½ cups of chicken broth, 4 cups of milk, 1 pound of grated sharp white cheddar cheese, 1 tablespoon of Tabasco sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 cup of Canadian golden lager style beer if desired, or an extra 1/2 cup of chicken broth, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Begin by adding the chopped bacon pieces to a large stock pot and cook for about 5 minutes. Next, add the chopped onion, celery, and butter. Cook for another 5 minutes, stirring frequently. Sprinkle the flour over the mixture and continue stirring over medium heat for another 3 to 4 minutes. Slowly whisk in the chicken broth and bring the soup to a boil. Lower the heat and allow it to simmer for about 15 minutes. Add the milk and continue to simmer without letting it come to a boil for another 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the soup from the heat and add the Worcestershire sauce, Tabasco, sharp white cheddar cheese, and beer if desired. Stir until the cheese is melted. If you want a smoother soup, use an immersion blender at this point. Mix in your desired amount of salt and pepper and serve the soup hot, garnished with chopped green onions. I hope that you love this soup as much as I do and that it will help bring a little Disney magic into your home. You can find this recipe in the description below as well as a link to the printable version. Make sure to visit MommyMouseClubhouse.com for more delicious recipes and Disney recipe fun. See you next time!